Welcome back. On the east side of the farmhouse is a covered patio built by the previous owner. While the shade provided is a bonus, the structure is too narrow to be effective, so it was decided that the waste piece of scrub will have to be dealt with. The area was cleaned up and some slabs collected locally. We started by putting some bricks by the fence as a step down from the drive, should we decide to move the fence to the other side of the drive. We then started the jigsaw puzzle that will be the widening of the patio, a small section at a time, pointing the sections after they set. We worked our way down to the end of the flower bed, with the idea of joining up what will now be 3 patio paths. When for my troubles I had yet another light bulb moment, put in a 4-point patio based compass. Here you can see the start of the design. And now the completed compass with coloured pebble inlay. So that's this section finished. That just left joining all 3 paths up at the end, going past the water feature, adding another step down to the left, connecting to the last path. With close access to the guest bedroom, this now gives us a wider patio which is now also covered, to give plenty of shaded area in which to relax out of the sun. Click on the Airbnb link below to check out our listing. Until next time, goodbye.